What's up, guys? We are back here with another freaking I was about to say auto auction update, man. We got another cool little day, man. We got a cool weekend ahead of us. I'm actually getting a U-Haul truck right now to throw the bike in the back of a U-Haul trailer. We're gonna head to the city, man. Go get some tie downs for this thing, try to get this thing tied down, locked up, and then hit the road as soon as we can. So stay tuned and let's get right into it now, shall we? And this is the motorcycle trailer we're gonna use with the U-Haul. So let's go get some tie downs for this joint. Probably need about 2 or 3, and then we should be able to go from there. Got my straps, however, I don't know how to use them just yet. So luckily somebody with a motorcycle pulled up and he knows how to use these. So he's gonna help me strap up my motorcycle and we should be on the road within the next 20 minutes or so. Yeah, see, that's why I was trying to lean it, like turn it over, but I guess this should be all right, no?
Yeah, do you got a center stand?
A center stand? No, I don't.
Yeah, this is good.
Right. Well, I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much, buddy.
So you live up there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, you got this too.
Yeah, I got this. The only thing left I got to do is get another gas tank or get that popped out.
Yeah, if I just hit mine with a little black paint.
Right. Yeah, nah. It might work out, right? That's funny, man.
It felt, you know what? I can ride it like you're supposed to. I like that better.
Right.
And I had to put bars on it.
So you think the bigger bars are more comfortable?
These bars are better than the other bars. Same dimension.
Right.
The other one's just the angle's different.
Right.
These are good.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, man, you got safe.
Alrighty, guys. So we got this thing tied down, man, and it is time to roll out, man. Got this thing tied down. Should be good to go. Hopefully we don't get no moving or nothing like that. Just tie it down, make sure it's tight. We should be good, man. Let's pray and hope we get out there safe. So I'll catch you guys on the road in a sec. Got this U-Haul, got the motorcycle strapped up. Let's see how much gas we got in this joint. They gave us less than a half a tank. So I guess that's how we gonna return it. But dang, man, I wish they gave us a full tank. I ain't never drove one of these, especially with a trailer. We're moving, man. We're just about crossing the state line now. And just like that, guys, we are in California. We should be there any second. It's my first time towing, and it's going pretty good so far, guys. So stay tuned. We have made it to the infamous Los Angeles, finally, guys. No issues or anything like that, man. So now we're about to drop this U-Haul off right now and link up with the buddies. They should be meeting me there. And that's how you know you're in LA, man. You got that bumper to bumper traffic, man. Bumper to bumper. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to the U-Haul. Got our bike offloaded. We did pretty good, however. We do got a slight scratch right here on the lid, but it's not too bad. Waiting for the homies to pull up right now. They should be here in a minute. Gotta get this thing cleaned up, man. What y'all think about it? Y'all see how the homies pull up, though? That motherfucker hard. Yes, sir. I don't know where the other homies at.
Can't chase no bitch, I chase gold. Gotta get this shit on 100, I can't fold.
Yeah, the homies pulling up, man. Niggas is pulling up, man. Woo, we out here now, man. Y'all see how we pulling up, though? Y'all see the detail in that mug, though?
That motherfucking camera is the shit.
Man.
That's that 11. That's 11.
That's,
Yeah, motherfucker. Nigga,
yeah, that shit go crazy.
you should have videoed that.
No, me, you can. You can, for sure. Y'all see the detail in this joint, though, man? That's crazy. Alrighty, guys, we are back here in Inglewood, City of Champs. Man, we've been riding these things all the way through traffic today. It's been crazy, man, but the lineup is looking really, really sick. Just wait till a few more of the other homies pull up, man. This is why I've been trying to get a Harley. This is why I got a Harley. And this is what I've been trying to do. Come to LA and cruise the coastline and all that good stuff that people from LA do, man. So stay with us and we're going to get this thing rocking. Another stop, man. We just going stop after stop. My boy had to get some oil. We about to go to the beach right now. Alrighty, guys, we are at the bike night. They're about to do what's called a slow race. So whoever can go the slowest to the other side of the lot. So a couple of my buddies are about to battle it out. Let's see who wins. Let's see. Both of my boys. Let's get the slow race cracking. Ooh, look at white boy bike. So if you put your feet down, you lose. Next day here, man, and you guys remember my wraparound. His look even wetter than mine, boy. On me, you got the fresh wraparound.
Hell yeah.
Ooh.
It was super fucked up.
Yeah, that's iced up.
We gotta go throw this on right now.
Oh yeah, we about to go throw this on. So back to the house we go, man. It's early morning, man. We in the city of dreams. I'm on my bike. He about to go throw that on his bike. Alrighty, guys, made it back to my buddy's house, man. He's about to throw on his wraparound. I'm over here wiping him down, man. This is looking really nice, really chrome. Everything is shining up really nicely. Oh my God, the homie pulled up in the Lamb truck. Oh my God. This is how we flooding the city today, y'all. That's crazy. Ooh, you did that, man. That's hard.
Good looking, bro.
That's hard. Look at that. Yeah, we're gonna have to get a whole close up later, man. Ooh. Out here though. I go crazy. Another one of my dogs pulled up, man. I'm telling you, this is how we do it in LA. Nice bikes, fly whips, everything on rims. You know? Look at all the detail. So we got the first fender off. This is the OEM original, like big original honky style one. Swapped on that wraparound style. Gave the bike a whole new complete look. Nah, you feel necessary. Don't ask me, I don't want to be doing. Should I move my car? Shit, if you want to get pulled out that motherfucker.
Everything goes in the hot. How you doing, officer?
Yeah.
I'm Robert Duck.
Fucking dying.
First time they did.
My boy pulled up. Got on them full race slicks, man. He ain't playing. And they got the slicks. What's up, guys? We out here on the motorcycles, man. I got my camera mount. So come slide with me for a little bit, man. And here we are, guys. Pretty much our end destination, the end of the road. Out here, got our bike looking really good, man, next to the beach, getting that wind therapy in. This thing is riding so beast, man. Definitely love riding out here way more than Vegas. It's great scenery, man. A couple of bros out here, but you know, it all looks pretty fly, man, pretty fly.
They told me for reckless endangering U-turn or some shit. I just did a U-turn, bro.
That's crazy.
They did some bullshit.
What?
They should get you a ticket.
He did, and he took it.
Yeah, they should have.
And he tried to tell me, yeah. And he tried to tell me I was doing donuts. I said, bitch, this is 4-wheel drive.
Sounds stupid.
Fuck, I'm gonna do some donuts,
Sounds
man, nigga.
dumb.
You feel me?
Sounds dumb.
So I'm telling nigga, I said, he was really mad at because he tried to chase. So when they coming, the street is already packed.
Yeah,
I kind of blocked them off. Yeah, I blocked them off when they was coming, so they couldn't like chase after the homies.
Next day, guys, and just about to get these things cleaned up, and you feel me, hop back on them. I got a mount yesterday, so today we could probably get some good footage and whatnot. Dude was popping wheelies and stuff yesterday, and already put a little crack, not a crack, but a paint chip in his fender. So crazy day. Man, we just been cruising the coastline, man. We've been every freaking where, dog. We all in Long Beach now. We done went to Malibu yesterday. It's LA though, man. Finally got a chance to get away from that desert for a while. What's up, guys? Next day here, man. It's about freaking 2 something. We left at like 8 this morning. Had a few stops, but man, we have finally made it back. We rode all the way back on the bike, man. And this thing was riding lovely as heck. Just made me like it a whole lot more. This thing was running so lovely today, man. I can't even complain. I'm just digging it. So we got our we got the thing registered. We got our tags. We got our title. Everything is ready for the bike to sell, so now we're just waiting on it to actually come in the mail, and that should be here, I guess, in a week or so. Honestly, after being in LA this weekend, I probably won't sell it in a rush, you know, unless somebody offered me something I can't refuse, but this will be staying for now, so.